is slicker than deer guts on a doorknob out here. Listen to this. I don't know if you can hear this on the video, but I'm in like 7th gear right now, and I'm going 15 miles an hour. I'm gonna stomp on the accelerator to listen to the wheel spin. Yeah, that's you could hear it wind up, or at least I could. Yeah, it is really slick out here.